Hello, my friend. Welcome to the English Unleashed podcast. This podcast is designed for people who are learning English at the beginner level, which means A1 and A2 English. In this podcast, I speak slowly and use easy words so you can listen and understand. You can use it for English listening practice and also to learn new words. Today's topic is I want to speak English, but I forget the words. Do you feel this sometimes? Perhaps you study English, read books, listen to podcasts, and learn many new words. But when you try to speak, you forget the words, or they simply don't come to mind. You feel confused, shy, or afraid to talk. That is okay. You are not alone. This happens to many people who are learning English. It is very normal. Even I feel this way when I learn a new language. I am an English teacher. But I am also a language learner, so I understand your feelings. Sometimes the words are in your mind, but they do not come out when you speak. Why does this happen? Sometimes we are nervous. Sometimes we are afraid to make mistakes. Sometimes we forget because we do not use the words enough. And sometimes our brain just needs more time to remember. So, what can we do? Here are some tips that can help you. First, be kind to yourself and say it's okay to forget because you are learning something new. Next, use easy words. You don't need big or difficult words. Simple words are good. If you forget a word, try to explain it in another way. For example, if you forget the word cherry, you can say, it is a fruit. It is red. It is small. That is okay. Speak slowly and take your time. You do not need to be fast. You need to be clear. You can also repeat words many times. Say them when you walk, when you cook, or when you think. This helps you remember. You can write short sentences and then say them out loud. You can talk to yourself at home, saying things like, I am eating now, or I feel happy today. This is good practice. Also, talk with people who are kind and patient. Practice with friends or in a class. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Every mistake is a step forward. Remember to celebrate small wins. If you say one good sentence today, that is success. You are learning every day. If you remember one new word, that is success. Breathe before you speak. take a deep breath? It helps you relax. Remember, you are learning. If you forget a word, that does not mean you are bad at English. It means you are human. You are growing one word at a time. One day at a time, step by step. Your English will improve. Be kind to yourself and be patient. Thank you for listening to the English Unleashed podcast. Today, we talked about forgetting words and what you can do to feel better and speak with more confidence. I hope this helped you. Come back next time for more easy English listening practice. Subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss a new episode. See you soon, and keep going. You can do it.